Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 blue screen loop without data loss. Start by turning on your computer. As soon as you see the Windows logo or your laptop brand logo, press and hold the power button until the system turns off. Turn the computer back on and repeat the same process. Do this a total of 3 times. On the fourth startup, do not interrupt it. Windows will now load the automatic repair screen. Wait until the recovery menu appears. Select Troubleshoot. Then, select Advanced Options. From here, choose Startup Repair. Allow the process to finish and then restart the computer. If the blue screen loop continues, go back to the Advanced Options menu and select Uninstall Updates. Choose to uninstall the latest quality update first. Let Windows remove the update and restart the system. If none of these options fix the issue, go back to Advanced Options again and open Command Prompt. In the command window, type diskpart and press Enter. Then type list vol and press Enter. Find the drive on which Windows is installed, type exit, and press Enter to close diskpart. Now, run the dism command to repair Windows system files offline. Type the following command: dism/image:d:/cleanupimage/restore health. Replace D with the actual drive letter of your Windows installation. Press Enter and wait. This process can take several minutes. Do not close the window. Once the command finishes, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. In most cases, Windows will now boot normally without any blue screen loop. Thanks for watching.